Good evening, my name is K. Jyoti Lakshmi. Today I am going to telling topic about requirement. First we see meaning of requirement. Requirement can be defined as the process of finding out prospective candidate for filling actual or projected vacancy in an organization. The process of requirement is one of the most significant aspects for operating a business successfully. Definition of requirement. According to Edwin B. Pliffo, requirement is the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for job in the organization. According to Barber, requirement include those practice and activities carried out by the organization with the primary purpose of identifying and attracting potential employees. Next one is objectives of requirement. Business growth. Requirement is mandatory for the business to grow. Since a business which is recruiting indicates its growth, filling vacancy cost due to staff turnover. Every business faces staff turnover at some point of time. Changing job roles. In the present world, work is changing continuously. The skill that seem to value today might turn redundant next year and a new set of skills will be needed. Next one, internal production. Organizational practice motivating their employees to go for more challenging and higher paid jobs within the organization. Next one is increasing workload. When the amount of work increases, the business require more employees and also those who are more skilled. Next one is process of requirement. In a process of requirement planning, identifying requirement sources, contacting sources, application full. Next one is selection process. First one is requirement planning. Requirement planning is the initial step of the requirement process. It involves determining the following: number of contacts and type of contacts. Identifying requirement sources. Once a requirement plan is finalized, representing the number and type of potential candidates, they must be attracted in such a way that they offer themselves for employment. Next one is contacting sources. After the final decision about the sources of selecting the potential candidate, the procedure of contacting these sources is initiated. Recruitment is a two-way process and there are mainly two parties, recruiter and a recruitee. Next one is selection process. The process of classifying in order to hire those who are more competent for the job is called selection. Selection process require extremely specialized technique, evaluation and control. It is necessary to enhance the efficiency of recruitment attempt in future. You should be keep in mind that recruitment is an expensive process involving costs such as a recruiter's salary, advertising cost, manager salaries and various recruiter salary. Next one is importance of requirement. It includes determine present and future requirement, create and increase applicant pools, increase success rate of selection, meet organizational obligation, and increases evaluate effectiveness, reduces turnover. First one is determine present and future requirements. It involves identifying and preparing potential job applicants for higher job persons. It is significant for every organization to find out the existing and future need of the organization as per the human resource planning and job analysis activities. Next one is create and increases applicants pool. Requirement develop a pool of talented candidate to facilitate the selection of the most suitable candidate for the organization. Next one is increase the success rate of selection. By lowering the percentage of applicants who are either less qualified or who have the undesired KSAS knowledge, skills and abilities. For the recurring organization, requirement increases the success rate of the selection process. Next one is meet organization obligation. The objective of requirement is to meet the organization legal and social obligation concerning the demographic composition of its workers. Increases and evaluate effectiveness. The present as well as the future effectiveness of the individual and the organization get increased due to requirement. Effectiveness of a variety of recruiting method and sources for all the types of job applicants. Next one is reduces turnover. Once recruited and selected, the recruitment process minimizes the chances that job applicant will quit the organization in the initial phase of placement. These in turn result in retention of potential employees. Thank you.